2020 and 21 have highlighted the need for businesses to accelerate smart manufacturing initiatives. My name is Simon Coleshaw. I'm the VP for Manufacturing Strategy and Business Development for Atos in Northern Europe. In the manufacturing sector, it's smart manufacturing, cloud computing, data and cybersecurity. The biggest trends in smart manufacturing are integration of IT and OT, data and data analytics, and cybersecurity. We've got an active partner management program. So we have active partner managers for each of our key partners. We also have a Horizons program focused on smaller businesses and smaller partners. From a manufacturing perspective, a big change is, I think, the emergence of some major players in the IoT space and some major players in the data and analytics space. Smart manufacturing represents a massive opportunity, both from a manufacturing standpoint, but also from a standpoint of companies like ours. And I think the companies that grow in the manufacturing space over the next 10 years are going to be the ones that seize that opportunity and really make something of it.